Guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again. If you're new on here, my name is Ada and I do everything cleaning, motivation, hauls, organizations, lifestyle, motherhood and vlogs. So if that looks like the kind of content that you like watching, please do go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell. And before we go ahead, look at that filthy fridge, and we are going to be tackling that today. So do go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up so we can get right straight into this video. So I started off, as you have seen earlier, I started off by clearing the fridge and removing everything I have inside there. And then I'm going to go ahead, of course, and clean as much as I can. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down this filthy fridge. Okay, it's been, I don't know how long. But I think, before I cleaned up this fridge, I was kind of sick the previous week. So I was not just feeling too good. So the whole house and everything, everywhere was just so messy. And I couldn't do anything because I wasn't feeling so strong to do it. So I just had to let it be. So today I'm finally feeling okay. I decided to go ahead and clean up because my house was a mess. So you guys, I am going to be showing you all the things that I got from the dollar store. This is a dollar store organization. Like, I don't even have the money right now to start buying any high-end product or anything. So Dollar Tree has become my favorite, like my best friend right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree for the organization, and this is how clean my fridge is looking like compared to how it was looking before. So I'm going to go ahead and remove everything on the handle side of the fridge as well. So for the returning subscribers, sorry you guys, welcome back. You already know the deal. Welcome back, and thank you so much for always tuning in and supporting your girl. Thank you so much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate all your support. You guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers a while ago. I don't know why I forgot to even say it, but I just kind of kept quiet and let's keep going and see how it gets. So I think we are on 1,000 something right now. So I am just so happy. I am so happy. So yeah. So these are the things I got from the Dollar Tree. This it's just such a lifesaver. Like, it helped. I did not honestly know I can find this in the dollar store. Well, ooh, look what we have here. And also I got this from the Dollar Tree. If you keep watching this video, I will be showing you what I do with them and how I am going to be arranging this, arranging my fridge with all these things I got from the Dollar Tree. Yes, you can do your organization with things you get from the Dollar Tree. Don't even let anybody tell you nothing. Okay? So this is me trying to figure out which goes where, and how, when it comes to organization, it's just something else. You have to think about it, do this, put it here, bring it down and all that. Then I went ahead to wash this thing. What's it called? Like one of the drawers in the fridge or something. So I had to wash it, not even clean it. Like, my fridge was so messy, it was so filthy. Look at that. See the way I lined that up in there? It was looking so good. But at the end of the day, I ended up changing. You definitely see it in this video. I ended up changing a whole lot of things. Like, when it comes to organization, you're just trying to figure out how you want it to be, and so everything can fit in properly. So that was what I was just doing. So guys, if you're here and you have not yet subscribed, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button. Join the family. You are welcome. Subscribe with the red button down below, and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section and tell me what you think about this cleaning organization, this fridge organization. Just tell me what you think about it and tell me what I would have done better, So yeah, I'll definitely need advice as well from people who also do cleaning and organization and all that. So yeah, tell me what I would have done better. Leave your comment down below. Don't forget to share this video. That is very important so that way other people can also see my channel and see what's going on here and join the family. Okay. So this is me trying to figure out how this is supposed to go, and you will definitely see it at the end of the video. So I had this cranberry juice. I had to it was just a pack, so I had to just pull it out and put it in there. So let me know in the comment section where you get things that you use for organization, like your fridge, your pantry, and everything. And yeah, that reminds me, I think the next video coming up will be a pantry organization. I'll be organizing my pantry. Like, that one was so messy. Like, you need to see that transformation. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I make a new video, so that you don't miss that video. I'm going to be doing a pantry organization. I have so many videos, like I told you guys, I have so many more videos coming up, so you don't want to miss that. So now I am on the freezer side, or whatever it's called. I am on the freezer side of it, and I am trying to take everything down as well and rearrange it the way it's supposed to be. You can see how messy it was looking in there. It wasn't just looking good at all. So I'm trying to remove everything and also clean it up and then fix it properly. You guys, you can see so many times that I put something and I take it out because I feel like it doesn't fit in there. These are all the things I got from the Dollar Tree, you guys. So I put in and I take it out, I put in, and that was just what I was doing. Like, you guys will not believe it, but that was what I was doing. I was just putting it, bringing it out, just trying to find the perfect fit for it. So you guys, look at what this fridge is looking like so far. This is what it's looking like. I have my butter and my cheese and all those stuff in here. I have my yogurt, maple syrup, I have my whipped cream and all the goodies in there. Then down here I have, you see what I did with that clear bottles? This is what I did. I poured in everything that was taking too much space in the fridge. I put it in there, and that's what I was doing right there. And I have this in here. What do I even have there? And then I have my carrots, my bacons, my cabbage in there. And then here I have my avocado, I have my butter, I have all the cheese, mozzarella cheese, whatever cheese. I have all the cheese in there, and my tomatoes. I have my egg, I have my bread in here, and I have all the milk and the coffee creamer and all that, and the juice, anything that just has to do with drinking. Then on the top one, you can see that like it's so cool. I have my drinks as well, juice, my cranberry and all that in there. So if you've gotten this far in this video, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for supporting me and watching this video. Please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. So I have all this in here as well. That's where I have all my chicken wings and whatever. I have them. I have my strawberry. I have for my smoothie. I have my shrimp and my fish. I have the vegetables and all that. So this is what the fridge is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.